Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to practically demonstrate how to use this Link Text Locator for helping Selenium automation tool in finding the required element on the web page. So let's get started. For this, I will open this browser and take you to this sample application page, that is omayo.blogspot.com. Once you are taken to this sample application page, scroll down until you find this compendium dev element. Now I want the Selenium automation tool to perform the click operation on this element. But can Selenium automation tool can directly find this element by itself? The answer is no, because we already know from the previous sessions that Selenium automation tool is blind by default. It need to take the help of any of the locators for finding this or locating this element on the web page. But what locator or which locator? To find out, we need to right click on this element and select inspect option. Then you'll be able to see the HTML code written by the developer for developing this element. Now, if you observe this HTML code of this element that Selenium need to perform the operation or to find it on. So if you see this HTML code, you need to see if there is any ID attribute in the HTML code. The answer is no. So ID locator is not possible for helping Selenium in finding this element then. Then is there any name attribute? No. So name locator also won't be able to help Selenium in finding this element. Is there any class attribute? Again, no. So class name locator also won't be able to help Selenium in finding this element, or this locators like ID, name, class name won't be possible for this kind of element having this kind of HTML code. Then the next thing that you need to check in this HTML code is what is the tag name of this element in the HTML code. For this element in the HTML code, what is the tag name? The tag name is A tag. A means anchor tag. It should not be other tags like img, input, okay? Those tags will not work out. So this, which tag is a anchor tag, A tag. If it is anchor tag and this is starting anchor tag, you see, this is starting tag of the anchor tag in this element and this is the ending of the anchor tag. In between the starting and ending of this anchor tag, is there any text? In between the starting and ending of the anchor text? Yes, there is some text like compendium dev. Such kind of text you can use as a next type of locator in helping Selenium in finding any element on the web page. So this text can be used as a link text locator. So ID locator is not possible. Name locator is not possible. Class name locator is not possible. So what is the next possible locator? Link text locator. This locator is only possible if there is some text between the starting and ending tags, and the next condition is this tag name should be only anchor tag. It should not be either img, input, etc. tags. Okay, it should be only anchor tags and there should be some text between the anchor tags. Such kind of text between the starting and ending of the anchor tags can be used as which type of locator? Link text locator. Copy the text, entire text between this starting and ending tags, and now pass it to the Selenium automation tool. So Selenium automation tool using this link text locator will be able to find the element on the web page. Now here in this editor, we have the sample Selenium automation code. So don't worry about this technicalities of this code. Watch it like a demo only, guys. Okay. So watch it like a demo, even though you don't understand this code here, which I'll be anyhow covering in the upcoming sessions. So only watch it like a demo and only focus on understanding how this link text locator is helping Selenium automation tool in finding the required element on the web page. That is our ultimate focus you have to do. Now, for a while, let's assume that this automation code is nothing but the Selenium automation tool. Now to the Selenium automation tool, I need to pass which locator? Link text locator. The text between the starting and ending tags, which is nothing but the link text locator. I'm copying and passing in this automation tool. Now to the Selenium automation tool, I am passing link text locator. Now using this link text locator, Selenium automation tool will be able to find this or locate this element on the web page. Now after that, it is going to perform which operation? Click operation. So Selenium automation tool, after finding this element on the web page, it's going to click on this link. So let's see whether that is happening or not. Run this code. Let's wait for a while. You see the browser has launched automatically maximize, and let's see whether this compendium dev link is getting clicked or not. Once the page loads, you see the compendium dev link got clicked by Selenium automation tool. It's working fine. You are taken to another website page. That means it is perfectly working fine. So here by using the link text locator, Selenium automation tool was able to find that compendium dev link element on the web page, and then it has performed the click operation on the link and was taking us to another website page as a resultant of clicking that link element. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.